Number 6 is a problem with a few parts. It says in 15 grams of calcium nitrate, we're going to find moles of calcium nitrate, the number of molecules, the atoms of oxygen, and the grams of nitrogen. Our formulas that are relevant for this problem are grams equals moles times molecular weight, and number equals moles times Avogadro's number. For the first one, I have the grams of calcium nitrate and I want the moles of calcium nitrate. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the molecular weight of calcium nitrate. Calcium is 40. I have 2 nitrogens. Each nitrogen is 14. I have 6 oxygens and each oxygen is 16. This gives me a grand total of 164. So now I have the grams of calcium nitrate, the molecular weight of calcium nitrate, so if I plug it in, I will get the moles of the calcium nitrate. 15 equals moles times 164. I will take 15, I will divide by 164, giving me 0.0915 moles of calcium nitrate. B is asking me for the number of molecules. When it says the number of molecules, what we're implying by that is I want the number of CaNO3 I'm going to use my second formula, number equals moles times Avogadro's number. If I want the number of calcium nitrates, I will plug in the moles of calcium nitrate. I just found that in part A. So now I'm going to take my answer from A and multiply by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, giving me 5.51 times 10 to the 22nd molecules of CaNO3. For C, C wants the atoms of O. There are a couple of different ways I can get that. I think the easiest way is if I already have the molecules of calcium nitrate, I can then use this number to get the atoms of oxygen. So I take the number of molecules, and I'm going to multiply it by how many oxygens there are in one molecule. There are a total of 6 oxygens in this molecule, so that number times 6 gives me 3.3 times 10 to the 23rd. Another way you may have done it is you might have set up a ratio where we know that there's 6 oxygens for every 1 molecule. So how many oxygens are there if there are 5.51 times 10 to the 22nd molecules? Doing this will get you the same answer. D, I want to do it a little differently. D asks me for the grams of N. I think the easiest way to do this is to do percent composition, where on one side of the equation I'm going to use molecular weights, on the other side of the equation I'm going to use the masses in grams. Part over whole will equal part over whole. Within calcium nitrate, there are 2 nitrogens. So my molecular weight of nitrogen within there is 2 times 14, out of a grand total of 164. Therefore, if I have 15 grams of calcium nitrate, I can solve for my grams of nitrogen. Notice in each case what I have here is nitrogen over total equals nitrogen over total. On one side of the equation, we have molecular weights. On the other side, we have grams. To solve this, I'm going to do 2 times 14 divided by 164 times 15, giving me 2.56 grams of N.